Healthcare marketers. Imagine this: patients ghosting follow ups, satisfaction surveys lost in spam, and retention slipping through fragmented tools. Sound familiar? The Patient Engagement Pack slashes through the chaos with pre built, FHIR compliant portal templates, HIPAA secure automated workflows triggered by EHR events, dynamic survey builders with branching logic, and real time dashboards tracking NPS and churn risk. This isn't just for marketers. Clinic admins, patient experience officers, and clinical informaticists will love it too. Spoiler alert, your patients might actually respond faster than your teenager. Here's what's inside the Patient Engagement Pack: portal setup with single sign on integration, automated workflows for appointment reminders, post discharge check ins, and medication adherence, survey builder with skip logic and sentiment analysis, analytics tracking 15 plus KPIs like response latency and engagement decay curves. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool set, it's your new operating system for patient relationships. Installing the Patient Engagement Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add patient engagement pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: portal templates with React components, Twilio-powered SMS automations, survey microservices with PostgreSQL schemas, and Grafana dashboards. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Warning: your AI assistant might start giving you unsolicited patient engagement advice during lunch. Ready to turn meh into marvelous?